guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna make mini donut cereal. I've seen it on Tasty and so I wanted to try it out, and go ahead and check it out. Their video is linked down below. Let's go. Ta-da! Open.
Oh, wow.
You know what it is?
Donut cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah? I like it. It's sweet and a bit different.
You do?
I like biscuits. Yeah, it is biscuits. Maybe a little sugary.
Yeah. It's too sweet. I don't like it as much.
I like it.
And it's not like the texture of donuts. It's more like cookies. But it's fine.
Cheers.
It reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. But it's good. It's really good. Does it taste good? Yeah.
Tastes good. But I feel it's, for me, a bit too sweet.
I like sweet.
What's this?
Mini donut.
It looks like donuts. It looks like
pancakes. Small pancakes, I think.
cereals.
Cereals. Okay. Yes.
Oh, I'm so good.
Cereals? Are you cereals?
What do you think?
It's a cookie.
It's like cookie, yeah.
Tastes like cookie.
Yeah. Cookie and milk.
Cereals.
It's good. I like it.
A little too sweet, yeah. But it's still good.
It's yummy though.
So what do you think, guys? Raise your hands if you think it's too sweet. And what do you think?
So thanks guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe
Yeah.
and press
Click
the
here.
bell button.
Great. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can we do spare ribs next time?
I like the milk.
He likes the milk.